Okay. I think I've talked myself into changing the entire room, which is something I've always thought about since the beginning of having this office. I wasn't always sure about how to set it up and what would be the most effective way. And I thought about all the different ways. And I always do this. Like, my husband, I'm sure, is going to come home and be like, what again? Like, I literally just changed my office around and now I'm already like changing it around again. So I have this spare bed, which, as you can see, just ends up with stuff over it all the time. And it's nice to have a spare bedroom because when people come over, like long distance relatives, like my parents live about 2.5 hours away. So when my mom wants to come up, like it's nice for her to have her own space and have a nice bed and all that. However, more times than not, nobody's here. And right now, okay, oh my God, looking at it like this is awful. But right now, this is my office. So it's really hard because the bed, I feel like, takes up so much of the room. And between my closet now and all over there, like I feel like I'm squished back here. And I'm trying to shove everything in this little spot. Whereas I always wanted the bed to kind of be in like one kind of like squished up area. And then it wouldn't be so bad so we have this used to be our master bedroom. So this is the bathroom behind here. So I was like, oh, we'll put the bed near the bathroom and it's closer. But like, honestly, like who really cares? If you're sleeping over, like as long as there's a door to the bathroom, does it really matter where the bed is? So I'm thinking if I take the bed and shove it in this corner against this wall, I already measured it, it would only maybe come out like a 1/2 inch of this wall, which is nothing. And that would be pretty cool because then I can shove the bed against a window. And I've been actually using the bed to read. Like I'm snuggling up and reading on the bed and I'm really like loving that and enjoying that. So maybe if I snuggle up the bed against the wall and then use like this side of the room as a spare bedroom, then I have this whole side of the room to be an office, and I would still have the whole closet to be my new space where I have all my books for my inventory. I hope that wasn't too much spinning that you're getting like sick now. So I think, we just check the time right now. It is 5:27 and I'm going to be cooking dinner soon, but I'm about to rip this whole entire room apart. Is this really happening? Probably, because this is what I do. But I'm really excited. Like, I feel like this would be potentially a really good change. But now I'm thinking, I know that's why I wanted, so there's 2 plugs against that wall. It's the only thing. That's a lot of plug space. I know that there's plugs behind here, but there's 4 plugs there. However, 2 of them are kind of unneeded. So when you put it that way, it's really not that bad. But where to start? I don't know. What am I doing? All right, so I'm going to start this impossible project. And I don't really know what I'm doing or what I want or, oh yeah, love how that's in the picture. I don't know what I'm doing or what I want, but we're going to go for it. Okay, you can definitely get a better view now of what I'm working with. And as much as like I always wanted to think that this is organized, this is just still like, sure, I have all this, but then I have like things thrown around and oh God, I don't know. I can't. So I do need to figure out what I'm doing with my life with all this stuff, but I would love to be able to have my book inventory maybe taking over this closet or at least half of it, or at least maybe just on the shelf. I don't know. We're going to figure it out though. Okay, it's not done yet, but quick little peek. So excited to show you the finished project, or the finished product, but not done yet. So I'm probably gonna have to show you more tomorrow, but definitely super excited. Okay, so the desk is ended up over here now with all my things. In that corner, I still have to get rid of those doors. They have to go down in the basement, but they're a little heavy and awkward, so I'm gonna have my husband help me. The doggy's bed is now over there by the window, and the bed is where my desk used to be, over in that corner. Again, I'm still cleaning the bed, so it's not 100% transformation yet, but I really wanted to be able to show you what I've done so far. And then the glory of it all. I still also want to empty that shelf because I want to have room for the books up there. So that might be happening today. But if I didn't have all these boxes here, you'd see the glory of all of this. It's so nice. Everything on the left is stuff that I haven't read yet and that I want to read. And everything on the right is inventory that's in my bookstore. And then these 3 bins have not actually been uploaded yet. So that's what I'm working on next. And also, you know, simple enough. I think I've talked about this in one of my other videos. Nothing is in a certain order necessarily. Like the ones that I want to read, they're in somewhat of a genre, like memoirs. And then these ones were like thrillers, but I took a bunch out because this month I'm reading thrillers. These are like self-help books. And then I kind of have an organization, but for at least the bookstore part of it, I really should put it in a better order. So I was thinking alphabetically, you know, like what a concept. So I want to go ahead and do that because then when I'm searching, when people do orders, it will be a lot quicker. And I'm going to incorporate that shelf as well with all these books. And so I think that will be super helpful when I get this a little bit more organized. Maybe even have like all of this as my store, and then maybe the top can be all the books that I haven't read yet. I don't know. Something like that. Something has to change for sure so I can make this a little bit easier on myself. But I'm excited to move forward, and I can keep you updated on that. But I was excited to show you the transformation from the office so far. I like it. My door is now there. You can see my son. I'm working. There's my son. It's very easy to access each other. That door goes to a bathroom because this used to be a spare master bedroom. So yeah, I'm liking it. I think that this will be a good change for me. I'm very excited. I can still have like all my Cricut stuff out and everything's actually together. I didn't actually like show you really underneath the desk, but all my Cricut stuff used to be in the closet, and I felt like it was so hard to always get to because one of those doors was in the way or whatever. Now it's like Cricut, mats, stickers, and then like all my material and vinyl and everything is down here in drawers. So I've even got like my paper cutter underneath there is like my mat. Like I'm in like a pretty good shape now where I feel like I will have more access to it, so it's not hard to get to, because I'm just somebody like if I don't see it, it's not there. Like that's just how my brain works. So I'm pretty excited for this new office, and I look forward to showing you more things coming out of it. If you like this video, definitely let me know. I can't wait to show you final pictures as the days go on, but my ADHD brain has me going crazy a little bit here and there, so it will probably take me a few more days to really sort through and organize everything. I feel like I keep finding things to organize and get through, but I really want to work on the shop and the store part now, so I think it's what I'm going to be focusing on next. So I'll keep you updated, and definitely let me know if you like this video or not by using the like buttons over there. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.